The guy's on the phone right now from the check-in, so I don't know what's wrong. Story time, I almost missed it.
Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you.
Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm going to be doing a vlog. It's currently 12:30. I just got back from my old town in Whitecourt, and my flight is at 10. I know that seems like I have a lot of time, but I have to do a lot of things. This is going to be my first time traveling to another continent alone, so let's just hope I also don't die. My room's also a fucking mess, so this is what I'm taking to ball, this backpack. I think it'd be easier just to carry a backpack, especially there since everything's on mopeds. If I'm trying to get around, I can't get a moped, I have to rent a car. So right now, I'm just gonna be throwing everything that I want in here. It's obviously not gonna be folded or anything, but just like the things that I know that I wanna bring. This video is sponsored by Zaful. They sent me clothes and I didn't think it would get here on time. So I went to the store and I got bikinis, but I'm gonna go return those today because I like these ones better. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of show you what they look like because they're honestly hella cute.
Did I just say hella cute? Who the f am I?
I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about how tall I am and everything. I'm 5'2" and my boob size is like a 32D to 32DD. It really just depends. But this is what this one looks like. This is in a size medium. I didn't want to get larges because my ass is honestly pretty small, so I did not want my bottoms to just, you know, like fly down. I just kind of fucked it up. Whoopsies, my bad. And honestly, I love sports bra types bikinis, so then that's what the back looks like. This is the first one. I'm definitely gonna be bringing this one because I just love the yellow color. So then there's this one. I also got this one in a medium, and again, I really love like the sports bra look of things. These bottoms, very small, not even gonna lie. This is what the back looks like, and like the backs of these have clasps on it. As you guys can tell, I really like white bikinis. I feel like it just makes you look more tan. So this is just like a regular triangle one. It's a little small. There's some side boob going on. I also got this in a size medium, I think. Definitely probably could have gotten a large. If I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably not bringing that one because it's a little small. Then there's this one. This one's super cute. It's just like a strapless one. And then there's like a tie in the front. Yeah, so honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna bring this one because I'm gonna be in waterfalls and hiking, and this is not very practical. And this one's also a medium. Okay, I think this and this is super cute, like this combination. So I think I'm gonna bring these bottoms. Alright, so I've been looking for just a one piece, and I never thought that I'd be into one pieces, but like, oh my god, I love this one so much. I bought one from Garage before these came in. I'll show you guys that one too, but that one was I think like 40 something dollars, so I was like, fuck that shit. This one's from Zaful, and I love it even more. It's just like this deep cut. And then this is what the side looks like. And then the back is crossed. It is so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited to wear this one. This is the one that I got from Garage, and I just don't like it as much. The back is a deep scoop too, but you know, there's no crisscrosses or anything, so. Then I chose this dress. This dress is adorable. I literally cannot wait to wear it in Bali. I was in the mall trying to search for like dresses that look like this, and I couldn't find any, but like, damn, shit, Zaful's got me. I really like how it like goes out at the ends. I don't know, I think it's a super cute touch. So then there's this dress. Oh, I can't wait to wear this in the villa. It's gonna be so adorable. And then the back is just like tied with a bow. Oh, this is so adorable. I'm probably gonna get a strapless bra though, because like honestly, one slight move and just like my nipples out. There's this dress. This dress is like a little more formal to me because like, you know, the sleeves and everything. This would be cute to wear out at night. Oh, I'm just so excited to wear these. You guys don't understand. So then there's this shirt. I've been actually looking for a shirt like this for a while now, but I can never really find one that I love. I don't know. There's just lace at the top, and I really like how it's scrunched in at the bottom. So then I also got two cover-ups from Zaful. I've actually had this one before. I bought it with my own money, but I just like, you know, ended up accidentally ripping it. I think this would be cute to throw on after the beach or something like that, so that I'm not walking around in my bikini. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just checked my email. My flight's at 7:40. It's currently 3:15. I literally have to do so much shit to do. Fuck me. I keep sitting around doing nothing with my life. This is fuck, we gotta go. I gotta go. But I'm feeling so overwhelmed right now. Like, I've never felt this overwhelmed by packing, but this is like serious last minute. I have so much shit to do. I'm just gonna try to pack up whatever I can right now. Yeah, who the fuck, like, why did I think my flight was at 10? I don't know. I'm stupid. I just got these packing cubes from Amazon, so. Alright, so it is currently 4:03. My flight leaves in 3 hours and 40 minutes, but I still have to go to the mall, do a bunch of shit, and then also the airport's like 40 minutes away. Awesome. Well, here are my Birkenstocks. I'm gonna pack these because I'm not gonna wear these through the airport or anything. I still need to shower and get my makeup and shit. Okay, I'm gonna shower. Be right back. So I just showered. It is currently 4:18 and now I'm trying to figure out my airport outfit. I think I'm gonna wear a long sleeve, like heat long sleeve. I don't know, like it's thicker and it'll keep heat in, because the one thing I hate the most is being cold on a plane, and planes are cold as fuck. And if I'm gonna be on like a 14-hour flight, I wanna be warm. Yeah, and then I have the Lululemon Align leggings. These are my favorite leggings. And then also I'm gonna be wearing this jacket. This is the Arc'teryx jacket. It's currently 6:14 and my flight is at 7:40. Yeah, my dumbass thought it was like at like 10:30, like 2 hours ago. So I definitely think I'm forgetting things, so don't take my advice. Make sure to double check when your flight is. But it's currently 6:14. I already went to the mall and returned all the things that I need to return. Got my shit. Oh, let's go. I'm in the airport now. Usually I check in online, but for some reason Air Canada is always stupid and they never let me check in online. So now it says I have to go to check-in assistant because it doesn't work. I think Air Canada doesn't let me because I'm underage. That's why. The guy's on the phone right now from the check-in, so I don't know what's wrong. They came back and he was like,
"Where are you traveling to?"
And I was like, "Bali," and he was like,
"On your own?"
I was like, "Yeah." He looks at my passport.
How old are you?
16.
On your own?
Yeah.
What's the purpose of the trip?
Vacation.
On your own?
Yeah. And he was like,
You have to go get authorization because you're under 18.
he stared at it for a while. I've literally never had an issue with any other airline except for Air Canada, which is kind of stupid, but whatever. It's been 20 minutes and I'm still standing here. Update, I decided to open a bag of chips because I'm hungry because I've been waiting so long. Story time, I almost missed the flight. Okay, so basically, them checking me in took me way too long because like I was underage or whatever. So security also took really long, and then right when I walked through, they were like, boarding number flight 253 or whatever to Vancouver, last call, but I made it. We just landed. That was like a 1-hour flight, but now I have like a 4-hour layover in Vancouver. All my connecting flights seem to always be in Vancouver. These were invented for me. My flight's at 12:45 and right now it is about, I think, 8:50 here in Vancouver, so I have like a 4-hour layover, but it's fine. I really like walking around airports and just seeing what they have and just looking at it, so that's probably what I'm gonna be doing. I'm exchanging my money in the Vancouver airport right now because I don't want to go through the Bali airport and have to exchange money, so I'm exchanging 300 Canadian because I'm not trying to get my ass robbed and like lose all my money, you know. I just exchanged my money and I got 26 million, which is like only 300 Canadian, but damn, I'm a millionaire, guys. Millionaire at 16. Ooh, they have an aquarium. So it is now 9:25 and I got some food. I got a berry hibiscus. There's strawberries in here, but it's berry hibiscus. And I also got an A&W mushroom burger because I like them. I'm gonna get some lip balm right now because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, EWA's sucks ass. I hate EWA so much. It makes my lips feel disgusting. I think I'm gonna get this. This one's my favorite. I usually just use regular chapstick, like the brown chapstick, but I really like this one. It's like a cool mint. Look, it's not working. Literally always the last person aboard, even if it's not my zone, because I don't want to wait in the line.
Because it's changing me the seat.
Alright, thank you. It's Hello Kitty. See, y'all, maybe if you guys clicked the ads and visit the advertisers and didn't skip the ads, I'd be sitting in this section. Please click the advertisers and don't skip the ads so that I can get Casey Nice status. Bruh, how extra is this safety video? It is so extra. I just got my food. Wow. I'm watching this movie. I think it's called Searched. It is really good. They have a real mask. So it's now 1:30 in Edmonton, but like in Taipei it is 5:11, and then in Bali it is like 4 o'clock. So this is rough. But I just got breakfast. We have like 2 hours left of the flight. Wow. We just landed, but like that was like a 13-hour flight and I slept through most of it. It wasn't even bad as I remember when I was younger. But I think through the whole flight, I think I gained I think I gained like 4,000 subscribers while I was sleeping, so like holy shit, that's insane. But like now I have another 5-hour layover in Taipei, and then I have a flight to Bali. Fun fact, when I went to Vietnam, this was the exact airport that I had a connecting flight to. But this is like one of the coolest airports I've ever been to, so I want to show you guys because it's a really cool airport. Oh my god, this was the super cool store that I went in like 6 years ago. They have a waiting lounge that looks like a theater. Like how cool is that? So I'm in the Taipei airport and I got some milk tea with some shrimp dumplings and then some pork dumplings, and then there's some like type of hot fucking soup. Oh my god. I'm gonna be in Bali soon. My flight board's at 9:30. It is 8:34 right now, so I have a bit. But I'm excited. I can't wait to be in Bali. I mean, today is just gonna be kind of a chill day there, but tomorrow I'm gonna actually have a lot of things to do. So. I honestly have no clue why, but whenever I'm in Asia, especially Vietnam, we would always go to the markets and I'd be obsessed with buying these. And like, honestly, I still kind of am. I don't know why I'm obsessed with like miniature shit, but like I am. I'm in the bathroom right now. My flight board's in about 10 minutes. But I don't have a hair tie and I forgot to bring some on this trip, so I'm gonna be using Charlie and I's friendship bracelet as a hair tie. I'm on the plane all the way to Bali right now, but it was delayed. It was supposed to be boarding and leaving at 10, but it's now 10:12 and we haven't even left. But I've been using this battery pack. It's massive, but it's like 20,000 something, and most battery packs are like 4,000. So good. It charges your phone like what? I think it is like 5 times at least before it dies. I'll link it down below. It's not sponsored, I wish. I just got my food. It's this like chicken pasta thing. Seems like they really like Hello Kitty. This is actually so adorable. They give you like wipes that are Hello Kitty, but like look. Oh, that's so cute. I'm in the bathroom. I have like cool mists and shit. Hair's looking quite greasy, and I have not brushed my hair, so that needs to happen. There's like 40 minutes left in this flight until I get to Bali, but I've just been editing this whole time. My laptop died, but like for real, I get it. Like Apple's trying to make shit like super sleek, but why is it so complicated? So here I have my adapter to plug in the charger, to plug in this, which is a USB bar, to plug in my storage because this laptop is too small and doesn't have enough storage. And then this is for my SD card. Like, are you kidding me? But we're about to land soon, but that's for a different vlog where I will be actually exploring Bali. So that's it for the travel vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Next vlog will be coming soon.